Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be taking a look at some more hair transformations. First up, we have someone who goes from super long hair to this gorgeous mini bob. Wow, she looks absolutely incredible. And then we have someone else who decided to cut their hair into more of like a shoulder length bob style. Nice, simple and chic, effortless bob. Followed by another long to short with this gorgeous bob haircut. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So this next transformation features a cut and color change. Beautiful shoulder length bob. I love the dimension on the hair color change. Very nice. And then we see someone with mid-length hair who ended up getting a nice shoulder-length bob style. So much body and volume within this cut. And then we see someone with a long waist-length hair. The stylist cuts the hair, mixes in some color. We have a gorgeous mid-length haircut. So here we have another mid-length haircut. Oh, very nice fringe bangs to frame out the face. Followed by someone who decided to add some volume to their hair by trying out a layered hairstyle. Beautiful curtain bangs in the front. Then we have another gorgeous layered mid-length cut with the curtain bangs. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. Her hair is so volumized and full. So much body and movement. Very nice. And then our last transformation for today features an older woman, so she wanted something a little bit more bold for her hair. I love the fact that they are having fun adding these different colors to her strands. So I see a bit of green, some blue, some pink. Very cool. I absolutely love this transformation. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.